Buying a house with crypto is now a very real possibility. Here to share how they're making that process easier are Quinn. She's a co-founder and CMO of RealOpen, as well as a cast member on Netflix's successful Selling Sunset. And joining her is Dumontet, RealOpen co-founder and CEO. A big welcome to you both. A lot of people wondering with one eye on what we've been seeing with crypto prices. Walk us through this process and how people who want to either buy or sell their houses can benefit by taking this route on RealOpen.
Absolutely. Nice to meet you, Rachelle.
Nice to meet you, Rachelle.
So basically what RealOpen does is we allow crypto holders to purchase any home on or off the MLS by presenting an all-cash offer to the sellers. We use our trading capabilities, basically OTC desk trading, to provide more favorable pricing with huge amounts of liquidity. There are benefits in terms of not having to go to cash up front, by being able to show proof of assets. We have something called basically a crypto credit score, where we can assess the asset basket that the buyer holds and identify basically through a rearward-looking VIX type of computation based on the weighted basket that they hold, what their likelihood is of movements in that basket.
And the great thing is we don't close out until the buyer's ready, so they're still able to participate in the market. As you know, it goes up and it goes down as well. But when it goes up, like it recently is, you want to be involved in that participation as well.
And that's what I was going to ask you about, Christine. I am not by any means a crypto expert. I did sleep at a Holiday Inn Express last night, so I know it's volatile. It's been up and down dramatically in recent weeks. $2 trillion trimmed off the market. So how does that volatility impact what you're doing?
I think it underscores the consistent need for diversification. Any part of investment strategy has always been based on diversification. So real estate is a more stable asset class, of course, and you might see some people deciding to allocate more into real estate.
I think this is the best time, more than ever, to actually diversify your assets into real estate, especially, we're seeing a trend where people are saying, I have all these digital assets and I want to be able to buy something tangible, something physical with them. So that's why we started the company, and we saw a need and we decided, hey, let's meet it.
So in terms of how the software works, when people sort of put their crypto in, or are they approaching it with cash first in terms of how you look at the cash price for the house and then you factor in the crypto? How does the software part work?
Mm-hmm. We list the properties in terms of cryptocurrency. And then what happens is it follows a traditional cash closing process. So we're looking at very quick escrow periods. And at the moment that the cryptocurrency is converted into cash, which is deferred until the very last moment, the pricing is established.
And we find people that want to move extremely quickly. A lot of my clients are in the younger generation, instant gratification generation, newfound wealth. They're looking to close on a house quickly. So traditional, real estate brokerages can take anywhere from 30 days to more to close. And we're finding people that can close in one day now with our new service, which is really great.
A one-day close. I'm a realtor who's never heard of that one. Christine, what's been the demand like for the product?
The demand has been excellent. The demand is people that Christian, have said are looking for diversification, but also, the need to want to offload and get something physical and contingent on the inspection process. We can close in one day.
And is this something that you expect other real estate brokerages? Obviously, you left the Oppenheim group, Christine, there. Is that something you expect perhaps more traditional real estate companies to try and get into as well?
I think they can try, but I don't think they'll succeed. I think that the platform that we have built, we have patent pending technology, and we consider ourselves an institution. So I believe that we're really, the only of our kind. But I do see trends towards traditional brokerages, trying to transact in crypto and trying to do that, but it's a lengthy process. Getting, KYC, depending on the exchange, can take some time. And then also, there's also some people that are looking to do lending, and that takes time as well. But we're not noticing a trend for our clients. Most of our clients have all their assets in crypto.
Christine, we'd be remiss if we didn't ask you about the overall real estate, the data you're seeing. Do you see a softening? Some see a crash coming, prices softening. What do you see overall in the market?
Well, as you know, the market has not been doing very well, but we're seeing an upward trend right now, which is great. Interest rates, I believe, are going to be increasing sometime soon. So I think it is the best time to buy. And what better, what better to buy than something that you can actually live in? So I don't see a crash happening, but I do see inflation happening. We are seeing that reflect in interest rates. And I would say the best time to buy really is now.
And Christian, in terms of where the company goes from here, whether it's specific markets that you're targeting or perhaps new products, what's next for RealOpen?
Well, as of now, we're seeing our strongest interest in transactions in Miami, New York, and Los Angeles. I think that as we progress, this will no longer be a luxury high-end type of service, but rather something that addresses all price points. So that expands throughout the entire country. And then we see ourselves entering additional services, whether it be travel, anything really that...
Anything physical, anything tangible. That's really what we're working on. People have asked us, can I buy cars? Can I buy yachts? Absolutely. I mean, we can make those transactions, and we do see ourselves kind of heading toward that trend.
All right. You can check it out yourself, RealOpen.com. Christine and Christian, thank you both. Appreciate it.